Hello, my name is Elisa Ivanovska, and I'll be talking to you today about communication skills in humans. Looking at us humans from when we are born to who we are now and our social skills, we will investigate whether our communication is impacted by our brain and how it matures during childhood, and how much of our language development is controlled by surroundings and the environment we are in. A Boston University researcher followed dozens of children for 5 years to get the best look yet at the link between how babies' brains are structured at infancy and their ability to learn a language at a young age, as well as to the extent of which their environment influences brain and language development. According to a recent study published in Developmental and Cognitive Neuroscience, the brain's organizing pathways may lay the groundwork for a child's language acquisition skills as early as the first year of life. These pathways are also known as white matter. They serve as connections between the billions of neurons to make up the brain's gray matter. This enables signal interchange as well as all of the activities and functions we need to do, as well as all the biological processes that keep us alive. In addition to white matter growth, scientists have long known that a person's environment has a significant impact on their linguistic ability. However, there are numerous questions concerning whether nature or nurture has a bigger role in defining white matter composition and how effectively an infant learns to speak. Their findings showed that children born with a stronger white matter organization had superior language abilities 5 years later, indicating that communication skills are closely connected to the predisposed brain anatomy. In our class, we have looked over the study of psychology, which can be defined as the study of the mind and how humans act, think, and feel, which goes hand in hand with our topic about social skills. Communication is such an important aspect of ourselves and who we are as people and how we grow, that it cannot be overlooked in the study of psychology. And lastly, with this presentation, I leave you with a question: are we born with our social skills? Thank you for listening.